po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Brian D. Sinundo sa ating aking daily devotion ngayong araw, September 6, 2025. Ngayong araw po natin tutuloy ating series which is a seminary edition. Specifically, ang topic natin for this day is about seraphim. So ano ang seraphim? Para po sa araw na ito, ang talata po natin ay gagaling sa Isaiah chapter 6 verses 1 to 3. So it's about Isaiah's commission. So sabi po rito, in the year that King Uzziah died, I saw the Lord high and exalted, seated on the throne, and the train of his robe filled with the temple. Above him were seraphim, each with 6 wings. With 2 wings they covered their faces, with 2 they covered their feet, and with 2 they were flying. And they were calling to one another, Holy, holy, holy is the Lord Almighty. The whole world is full of His glory. Naku pang ating mas maunawaan kung ibig sabihin ng talatang ito. Ito pang mas maintindihan natin ang ating devotion. Ngayon po tayo pwedadako sa ating teaching for today. So yung Bible po, yung Biblia, binibigyan na tayo ng matatawag natin glimpse sa mga heavenly beings called seraphim. So una po, yung seraphim, they are mighty beings. Sila ay mga mighty beings that are devoted to God. So, itong mga seraphim, they constantly worship our Lord in carrying out His will in perfect obedience. So, yung mga seraphim, they remind us of the greatness of heaven's worship. Ikalawa po, yung seraphim, it reflects the glory of God. So, dun pa lang sa presence nila, their very presence, it points back to His holiness and majesty. Napakita sa atin kung gaano ka-awesome or gaano ka-glory ang ating Panginoon. And ikatlo po, the seraphim reminds us of how privileged we are. So, even though they are mighty and glorious, God still treasures us bilang kanyang mga anak na niredeem ni Kristo and made heirs of His kingdom. Ngayon po tayo pwedadako sa ating application. So ano nga ba yung mga dapat natin gawin or apply sa ating mga buhay? So una po, view yourself as a special made in God's image. Tandaan mo po, hindi ka ordinary o nilikha ng Diyos. You carry the mark of your Creator. Kalawa po, value your identity as God's redeemed person. So, dun po sa krus ng Kalbaryo, pinapakita dito kung gaano ka kamahal at kung gaano ka pinapahalagahan ng Diyos far beyond what you often believe about yourself. Ito po, visit the cross and visualize God's grace and love. Gaya ng seraphim, kung paano siya nag-stand in awe of God's holiness. So, dapat tayo rin, we should stand in awe of the love and grace poured out. Yung pagmamahal na binigay sa atin, ang pinuno sa atin sa pamamagitan ng ating Panginoong Kristo. Naway marami po tayong natutunan sa araw na ito.